What's up, guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut rear quarter emblem delete for this 2025 Subaru Forester. The film that we're going to be showing you today is the matte black. That's going to most closely match the surrounding plastic trim on this. We do have this available in a variety of other colors if you're looking for like something to accent that area. We have like the dry carbon fibers, the brushed metal films. There's a ton of stuff. So if you're interested in this product, check out the link in the video description below. If you want to see the rest of the products that we offer for this vehicle, also linked below. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First, what we did before the video is clean the area of the vehicle. Just around this area is fine. I did not clean underneath, so don't judge me. And then right prior to installation, you're going to want to wipe this down with a microfiber with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That's going to make sure everything is off of it, and you're going to have the most clean install that you can have. When you do unroll your package in the mail, you're going to have two pieces. One is marked with a DS, one is not marked. The one that is not marked is for the passenger side, which we're going to be installing here. And the DS is obviously for the driver's side. So on this film, this is an air release film, so it's going to be applied completely dry. Some tools that you are going to be needing are just a squeegee and possibly a vinyl tuck tool. It's a little bit easier than the squeegee to work with as far as getting it into this crevice here. So when you align this, you want to basically give yourself a little bit of overhang. So I guess that gap like in between, you're going to be shooting for about half of that. I know that's hard to do, but that's how we're going to try. So now once it's aligned, you go ahead and start to work down the film. If you start in the middle and then work your way out, it's probably the best bet. And since I always forget, the rest of the tools that you also need are a heat source, a heat gun or hair dryer, heat gun on a low setting, hair dryer on a high setting. Also have that available on our website if you want to get everything at once. So once you have that main portion stuck down, you can go ahead and work down the edge. For this, you're going to hit it with a little bit of heat and then sort of work it around those corners. So I'm just using my thumb here at first, and then I'm going to switch to the tuck tool, which is this guy. Like I said, you can use a squeegee for this. I find this tool a little bit easier to get into that gap there. And the corner is a little bit harder just because you're dealing with that film wanting to bunch up. And once you are done, you can go ahead and go over in the tire film one more time. This will help lock it into place, and if you missed anything, it's going to pop up at that time. So again, this is the matte black film available on our website. If you're interested in this or any of the other products, remember the links are in the video description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to watch out. Thanks for watching.